Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Good morning, very good
good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
I hope everybody is ready for the revision work of civics lesson number one.
Yes,
In
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
few instructions
Ma'am,
to be followed. Few instructions to
ma'am,
be
we are
followed. First of all, you have to do the work in the notebook, HST notebook. Write down the heading,
Okay,
revision
ma'am.
work one, civics lesson number one. Okay, and today's date. And then I will repeat the question and the options. You will only first write down in the notebook only the answers with the correct option, means only the answers you are going to write it down in your notebook. Am I clear? Don't copy
Yes,
the
ma'am.
questions because it will take time. You will write down only the answers. Then after writing the answer in your notebook, you will raise your hand. You will raise your hand and then I will speak anybody's name. Then you will give the answer. In this
Okay,
case,
ma'am.
no confusion will be there, no disturbance will be there in the class. AK means I will ask the question. I will take the name and the student will give the answer. That everybody will not give the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And anybody will be asked to show the notebook also, whether you are doing in the notebook or not. कभी भी मैं किसी को बोल सकती हूँ कि आप वीडियो कॉल करके आप अपना ना ये नोटबुक दिखाइए ताकि मैं देख सकूं कि आपने लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा उसमें, या सीधा
Ma'am,
सा हाथ रेज कर दिया. यस.
ma'am, unfortunately, I'm not having now the notebook.
व्हाट हैपेंड? वेयर इज योर नोटबुक बेटा?
Ma'am, ma'am, at home, I am outside.
Okay, no problem. Okay, then in this case you
Okay.
can do it in the rough
Ma'am, I'm
notebook
doing
page.
in book.
In the book, do it in the rough notebook
Ma'am,
or a page.
okay, ma'am.
Do it in the rough notebook. In this case, you can do it in the rough notebook or a page and then stick that page in your notebook afterwards.
Ma'am, we have to not write the options, only answer.
Yeah, like this, if answer is A, then you will write down A, dictatorship only. Don't copy the question like this full. Only answer one, A, dictatorship, like this. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anybody is having any doubt? Afterwards, don't interrupt in between. Okay, fine. Now we'll start. And before starting this, again, I want to clarify that tomorrow will be your full course test on Google Form link, revision test. Clear? On Google Form link. That is in that history lesson number one, civics lesson number one, geography lesson number one, and economics lesson number one will be included questions. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
ma'am, if we will not write question, how we will know that this answer is of this question?
Just now I'm giving you now on student portal. This video will be uploaded.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because just now if you write down the question and the answer, it will take time definitely. And I think 30 questions are given. 25 to 30 questions are there. Okay, means overall
Okay,
full
ma'am.
lesson I have included in this. I hope it is clear and prepare for tomorrow's test for all the four subjects, that is history, civics, geography, and economics. Lesson number one on Google Form link from 1 to 2 p.m.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll start. First question. First question is, dash is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. First, write down the answer. Okay, first, Dia.
Ma'am, democracy.
Yes, the answer will be democracy. Everybody has written democracy. Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
favors democracy here. Okay, then it is correct. If you have written
Yes.
wrong answer, some other answer, then you will put wrong over there, a small wrong, and write down the correct answer over there. Clear? Next, how does the definition of a democracy help us? How does the definition of democracy help us? Now, the first option is to separate democracy from other forms of government that are not clearly democratic, or so that we can get voting rights, or to figure out that what lies in a democracy or none. Yes, Almas?
Ma'am, option A, to separate democracy from forms of government that are clearly not democratic.
Very good. So A will be the correct option. Everybody is means agree with this answer? A. Why the definition of democracy is helpful for us to separate democracy from other forms of government which are not clearly democratic. Now next is, how were the rulers of Myanmar elected? How were the rulers of Myanmar elected? Only one hand. Only one hand. Only Dia. Nobody else knows the answer. Okay, now Dia, I'll give the chance to Garima now. Yes, Garima. How are the rulers of Myanmar elected?
Ma'am, option C. Those who happen to be in control of the army became the rulers.
Option C. Yes. Everybody agree with this answer? If you have written this answer, then it is correct. Otherwise, you write down this option. Okay. So for this, how are the rulers of Myanmar elected? Those who happen to be the control of army became the rulers. Next is fourth. How are the rulers of Saudi Arabia elected? How are the rulers of Saudi Arabia elected? Anybody? How are the rulers of Saudi Arabia elected? Okay, Khyati. Yes, Khyati.
Ma'am, option C.
Yes,
Because
good.
they happen to be born into the royal family.
Good, good, good. So this will be the correct answer. If you have written this answer, then it is correct. Because this happened to be born in the, because they happen to be born in the royal family. That is why they are the rulers of Saudi Arabia. Clear till question number 4? Now, fifth, why, we would end up calling almost every government that holds an election a democracy. Yes or no? We would end up calling almost every government that holds an election a democracy. जो भी गवर्नमेंट इलेक्शन होल्ड करती है तो वो क्या डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है? फिफ्थ, we would end up calling almost every government that holds an election a democracy. Yes. Parikshit?
Ma'am, A.
Parikshit A. Anybody else? Any other answer? Yes, Garima?
Ma'am, D.
B.
None. Ma'am, A.
Dia A. Yes, Yashika?
Ma'am, it may be.
And anybody else? Vishal?
Ma'am, A.
A. Then Khyati?
Ma'am, no.
Khyati?
Ma'am, C.
C.
Ma'am,
Sana?
C.
Okay, Sana?
Ma'am, C.
Sana also C. Okay, anybody else?
Ma'am, A.
No.
We would end up calling
Ma'am, C.
almost every government that holds an election a democracy.
D,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
C. Ma'am, C.
It will be
Ma'am,
none.
D.
हाँ, none. जो भी गवर्नमेंट इलेक्शन होल्ड करती है, ये नहीं हो सकता, हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, मे बी पॉसिबल कि वो इलेक्शन डेमोक्रेसी है, मे बी वो डेमोक्रेटिक नहीं है, या इट इज दैट दे आर शोइंग एंड दे आर नॉट डेमोक्रेटिक. सो इनमें से कोई भी नहीं, हम किसी को भी प्रॉपर डेमोक्रेटिक नहीं बोल सकते. क्लियर? क्लियर विल बी द नन.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, which officials must be elected for any government to be called as democracy? Sixth. Yes, Priyansh. Sixth. Which officials must be elected for any government to be called a democracy? Priyansh, you want to speak out?
Ma'am, D. Ma'am, D.
Anybody else? Priyansh is telling D option. Anybody else? Yes, Almas?
Ma'am, A.
Almas is telling A. Yes, Priyanshu?
Ma'am, A.
A. Then anybody else? Garima?
Ma'am, A.
Very good. Now most majority is there and they are having the correct answer with them. That is A option is the correct option in question number 6. Clear? Now 7th. In Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in. Yes, Sana?
Ma'am, A.
Sana A. Then Alfia?
Ma'am, A.
Alfia also A. And anybody else? Almas? Garima?
A.
Garima? Everybody is in favor of A?
Ma'am,
Everybody?
A.
Okay, then this is the correct option. 7th option A is the correct option. Okay, 1999.
Ma'am.
Okay, now 8th question. He overthrew a democratically elected government and declared himself a chief executive of the country. Later, he changed his designation to president in 2002. Which president of Pakistan was this? Okay, so many hands are there. Alfia? Answer it. Almas?
Ma'am, A. General Pervez Musharraf.
Okay. Sana?
Ma'am, General Pervez Musharraf.
Garima?
Ma'am, A. General Pervez.
Dia? Everybody is in favor of first A option only?
Yes, ma'am. A.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now this is the correct answer. General Pervez Musharraf. If you have marked A, then it is the correct answer. Okay? Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, before I continue, okay, after 10th question I will ask. Then, in a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with. In a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with. Yes, Sana?
Ma'am, I can't see the next one.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Sana, I'm not able to hear. In a democracy, the final decision-making power rests with. Vishal, yes.
Ma'am, those elected by the people.
Elected by people.
Okay. Everybody? Any other option was written? Anybody
yes,
else?
ma'am, C.
Those elected by the people.
Okay. So everybody is in favor of this option. Then it is correct option.
Yes,
Those elected by the people. 9th.
people.
Okay, fine. Now written this till 9th. Clear all the questions till 9th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now 10th question. In China, elections are regularly held after every dash years for electing a country's parliament. In China, elections are regularly held after dash years. 10th. Yes,
Ma'am,
Almas.
C.
Ma'am, option B. Sorry, option C.
Option C. Dia.
Ma'am, option C. 6.
Ma'am,
Option
C.
D.
Ma'am,
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 C.
option D.
Which
Ma'am,
option?
C. Ma'am, 6
Ma'am,
years.
option number D, 3.
Ma'am, C.
Chinese parliament. We are talking about China.
Ma'am, C.
C.
Ma'am, option is B, 5.
Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, option is A.
A.
Ma'am,
Anybody
B,
else?
5 years.
Mhm.
D. Option B.
Ma'am, D.
Option. Option is
B.
B. In Mexico, it is 6 years. But here we are talking about Chinese parliament.
China.
Sorry, China election. Here, so it will be 5 years.
5 years.
Okay. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is given there only
Yes, ma'am.
in free and fair electoral competition. The first line itself in China, elections are regularly held after every 5 years. It is given there. So if you have written B option
Yes, ma'am.
5, then it will be correct. 6 is for Mexico. अगर यहाँ पर मैक्सिको होता तब यहाँ पर 6 ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होता. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next, what is the Chinese? Okay, first before continuing 11th question, I want to see the notebook of first. Your name is Althea. Can you show me?
Ma'am,
Wait. Before continuing the test, Althea, can you show me a notebook through your video?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you can. Althea, Dia, and one more name, one boy. Parikshit, can you switch on your video and show me your notebooks? क्या आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक किया नहीं? Althea, Dia, and okay, Sana wants to show, or Parikshit, anybody? The one who wants to show till 10th question answers. I'm not able to see anybody's notebook till now.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Show it to me fast. Time is running short, fast. Who is showing? Yes, Yashika is shown. Yes, good. In this way only you have to do. Next, anybody else? Priyanshu. Yes, okay, good. Next, anybody else? Yashika and Priyanshu are shown. Yes, Sana. Yes. Sana, you are not writing the means options. Sana, you
Ma'am,
are not. Hello. Only you are writing that A, B, C, the alphabets only.
ma'am, I will rewrite the questions in fair notebook. That's why.
Acha, you are writing in the rough. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, anybody else?
Ma'am, Almas.
Yes, Almas. Ah, yeah, good. Okay. Now we'll continue with the next 11th question. 11th question is, what is the Chinese parliament called? Yes, Mridnani.
B.
Mridnani,
Ma'am,
which?
B.
B. Next, anybody else? Althea, which option? Chinese
Ma'am,
parliament.
Ma'am, National People Congress.
Ma'am, answer A, National People's
Ma'am,
Congress.
answer A.
Chinese,
Ma'am,
what?
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, C.
What is Chinese parliament called?
Chinese
Ma'am, C.
National
C.
People's Congress. Ma'am, People's Congress.
Ma'am, B.
This will be the correct answer. I think Mridnani first has given this answer. 11th B, Chinese Communist Party. It is written there only. The same paragraph. Chinese Communist Party. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is here, 12th. It has nearly dash members elected from all over China. It has nearly dash members. How many members elected?
Ma'am, B.
Yes.
Ma'am, B.
Okay. Everybody is in favor of B?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then it is the correct answer B. Now, when did Mexico become independent? When did Mexico become independent?
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C. 1980.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, C. 1980.
Wait. Question number 13. Yes. Question number 13.
Ma'am, C.
C. Everybody is in favor of C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then this is the correct answer.
13 का C.
Next. Mexico hold election after every. Yes, Garima. Vishal.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 6.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
Six.
C.
C. C.
Okay. C. 16th C correct option. Then which country has never been under the military or dictator rule? Yes,
Ma'am,
Vignaini.
Mexico.
Which country has never been under the military or dictator rule?
D.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
India.
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 Ma'am, C. India.
Military or dictator rule?
ma'am, B. Mexico.
Ma'am, C. India.
Mexico. India was under the rule, na beta, under the Britishers. British rule. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
And it is written there only, the same page where we have read about China. It is written that Mexico holds election after every 6 years to elect this president, and the country has never been under military or dictator
Yes, ma'am.
rule. Okay, so this will be the B, Mexico. Next is under 2015 in Saudi Arabia, women did not have the right to vote. Here so already I have written the option by mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the option is already written here. By mistake I have written, no problem. The answer will be 2015. C. Then Estonia has made its citizenship rules in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get 17.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, C.
Right to vote.
Right
Ma'am,
to
B. The
vote.
right to vote.
Yes, right to vote.
To vote.
Right to vote. Then 18th, in a democracy, each adult citizen must have. Yes, each
Each
adult.
vote must have one value.
Yes, this is
Ma'am,
very.
Ma'am, one
C.
vote, one value.
Each vote must have one value. B. And must have one vote also. This is also correct one. Must have one
Ma'am,
vote.
answer C, A and
Ma'am,
B.
A and
C,
B.
B.
Option C.
Yes, option C will be correct then. Because here it is also there, must have one vote and each vote must have one value. So both A and B are correct option.
Both
Clear?
A and B is correct.
Now
Yes,
Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule in
Option A.
A. Clear? 1980, Zimbabwe. When ZANU PF was there. Remember when ZANU PF was
Okay,
there?
ma'am.
White minority rule in 1980. So here 19th answer 1980. 20th, Zimbabwe's leader Robert Mugabe ruled the country since independence. Oh, here also I had gained by mistake the option here
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
है ना? So this you can, here it will be blank.
Yes.
Okay, and one more there was blank where I had given which year, Anna? Year also it will be blank. Okay, now correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
I have made a correction over here only. So Zimbabwe's leader dash ruled the country since independence. It will be
Robert Mugabe.
A. Robert Mugabe.
Robert Mugabe.
Okay. Next is over the years, Mugabe government changed the constitution how many times? Yes, how many times?
Ma'am, B 3 times.
Ma'am, several times.
Several.
Ma'am, C
Yes.
several times.
Several times. बहुत बार इन्होंने changes किया है. Clear? Next is what kind of operation did Mugabe give his people? Opposition party workers were harassed, meetings were disrupted, public protests and demonstration against the government were declared illegal. There was a law that limits the right to criticize the
Ma'am, B
president.
all.
Option
Ma'am,
A.
Ma'am,
B all.
all.
Very
All.
good. All. Yes, correct. So when was Mugabe forced out of office?
Ma'am,
2017.
2017.
17.
Okay, he was forced to leave the office. Next, what requirements do the people of the state need before elections? What requirements? They should be free to think.
Ma'am, D all.
Yes, you have the opinions to
All.
comment. Yes,
Ma'am,
this is
all.
okay. If you have written all option, then it is correct. What requirements do the people of the state need after elections? Now this is before elections, this is after elections now. This year you have to read the questions carefully, na? Yes, after elections, every office bearer has certain rights and responsibilities assigned by the constitution and law. Respect some guarantees to the minorities.
Ma'am,
Yes.
all.
Yes.
All.
D all. Here also D all. Next is a democratic government rules within limits set by the constitutional law and the citizens' right. The democratic government,
Ma'am, true.
True.
yes.
Ma'am, true.
Then everybody has written true. Garima, true.
Yes, ma'am.
Alfia, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then true will be 26 will be A option true. Then which is the true? What is true of democracy? True for democracy by
Ma'am,
the
by the
people.
people, for the
A.
people.
Ma'am, A. By the people, for the people. Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, A.
A.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, A.
Leader
Ma'am,
keep
A.
changing.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, A.
A.
Ma'am, A.
A will be the
Ma'am,
correct
by-
option. Yes, this also
Yes,
happens. Political competitions also happens. But the most important, the truth is that
By the people,
by
for
the
the
people and for the people.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Next is
Yes, ma'am.
China's famine of dash was worst recorded famine in the world history. Which
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, D.
B.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
D.
B.
Ma'am, D.
everybody is in favor of B or A or D? Which one?
Ma'am, B.
This one?
B.
Ma'am, B.
Okay, then this one is the correct option. This one is the correct option. B. Now 29th, democracy is based on discussions and meetings among the few,
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
number of people put it
Ma'am,
there.
option D.
B option is
B.
untruly crowded meeting with no formal decisions.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B. B.
B option, discussions and meetings occur with number of people put their heads together. बहुत सारे लोगों को अपना इन्वॉल्वमेंट देना पड़ता है कोई पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन के लिए.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, fine. Now 30th,
Yes, ma'am.
democracy is better than other forms of government because
Option D. It allows us to correct.
Ma'am, allows vote. D.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D.
D.
Sure. Vansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh, which option?
Ma'am, C.
Democracy is better than other forms of government because
Allows voting.
Allows
Ma'am,
right
D.
opinion.
Correct its own mistake.
Allows
Ritesh.
right to opinion.
Ritesh.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, D.
Okay, fine.
D.
Ma'am,
So,
D.
okay. Now I'm giving the correct option. If all the students who have written D option as the correct option, then it will be the D option is the correct. Just other option if you have written, it will be wrong. So write on the correct option.
Okay.
It allows us to correct own mistakes. I hope this is clear now. Lesson number 1 of
Yes,
civics.
ma'am.
अच्छे से
Yes,
रिवीजन हो
ma'am.
गया इस तरीके से.
Perfectly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, good. Then
Ma'am, please
now,
take
huh?
Ma'am,
Hello.
please take this type work of history also.
This way I will take one history, but tomorrow be prepared for all the full course on Google Form. Then after
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
Tuesday, Wednesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday will be full course. Thursday I am going to take of history, and Friday I am going to
Okay,
take
ma'am.
of geography, like this only.
Geography.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay,
prepare like
ma'am.
that.
Okay.
I hope now everything is
Thank you.
clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So for
ma'am.
tomorrow, prepare nicely for all the lessons. So that's all for today.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you
Thank you,
enjoyed
ma'am.
your
Thank you,
revision.
ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, same to you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a
Same
nice
to you.
day.
Same
Thank
to you.
you.
Okay.